10 best spices to clean your arteries and prevent heart disease. Arteries serve a pretty important function of transporting oxygen and nutrients across the body. But sometimes our diet and lifestyle choices can cause arteries to become clogged and increase the likelihood of heart diseases. The worst part is there are no warning signs. Most people get to know this after it causes a heart attack or stroke. So how can you prevent your arteries from getting clogged? You only have to season your meals with delicious spices, and I am not bluffing, it is true. Some heart-healthy spices can keep cardiovascular diseases away from you. In today's video, we will share with you the 10 best spices to clean your arteries and prevent heart diseases. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic can do wonders for your heart. It lowers your blood pressure, cholesterol level, and most importantly, it prevents plaque formation in your arteries. According to a study published in Nutrition Journal, garlic reduces the lipid content in the arterial wall, and low lipid means lower chances of plaque formation. In one research, an 80% reduction in soft plaque was seen in people taking garlic supplements. It provides extra benefits due to its anti-inflammatory and blood-thinning properties. The best part is, apart from all these heart-healthy benefits, it gives your food a unique flavor and aroma, which makes your meals mouth-watering. There is a little trick for getting all the benefits from garlic. Chop your garlic and put it aside for 10 minutes, and then use it. In this way, allicin, a beneficial chemical compound in garlic, gets activated. Do you find this video interesting? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Cinnamon. With the word cinnamon, a picture of freshly baked cinnamon rolls comes to mind, right? I know they are tasty, but cinnamon can do a lot more for you. High blood pressure can increase your chances of heart disease and damage your arteries, so keeping it in control should be your high priority, and cinnamon can do this job perfectly. Cinnamaldehyde, a compound in cinnamon, can lower your blood pressure. We all know free radicals are damaging for health. They can cause loss of contraction, elasticity, and inflammation, which results in clogged arteries. The antioxidant properties of cinnamon can protect you from all these harmful effects of free radicals by neutralizing them. Sprinkle some cinnamon in your drinks and desserts to get all these benefits. Number 3. Turmeric. A spoonful of turmeric a day keeps heart problems away. It contains an anti-inflammatory agent that keeps your arteries free from all kinds of blockage and lowers inflammation, a prime factor behind the hardening of arteries. Curcumin, a polyphenol present in turmeric, can alter the genetic signaling involved in plaque buildup. In one animal study in France, researchers fed 20 mice a diet rich in curcumin and others with a diet lacking in curcumin. After 16 weeks, they notice a 26% reduction of fatty deposits in arteries of mice fed a curcumin-rich diet. Are you confused about how to add it to your diet? You can use it while making eggs, roasting vegetables, preparing rice, soups, smoothies, or even tea. It gives your food an earthy flavor and adds color to your meals. Number 4. Cloves. According to a study published in the Journal of American College of Nutrition, clove is one of the best antioxidant spices. They also have a role in reducing LDL, lower density lipoprotein, levels in the blood and preventing its oxidation. But how do all these functions support your heart health? Oxidation of LDL is one of the earlier steps which leads to atherosclerosis, plaque formation in arteries. Inflammation and free radical damage are other prime reasons for clogged arteries. Cloves protect your arteries by curing the main root of the problem. When talking about its incorporation into your diet, tea is the best way. You can also use it in powder form in any dish. It will give a warm, sweet flavor to your food. Number 5. Ginger. Adding ginger to your daily diet can reduce the risk of hypertension by 8% and heart disease by 13%. Gingerols, shogaol, zingerones, and other compounds present in ginger make it a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory spice. It prevents lipid peroxidation and blood clot formation, which results in unclogged arteries. An animal study published in the International Journal of Medicine and Medical Sciences linked ginger with improved lipid profile and low cardiovascular disease risk. Are you thinking about adding it to your diet? Try ginger tea. It is a simple and effective way of consuming ginger. You can also make a ginger paste to add to your meals, smoothies, or simply grate some ginger on your salad and smoothies. Number 6. Cayenne pepper. An ingredient in cayenne pepper called capsaicin is the key to reduce heart-related problems. Capsaicin has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation drives plaque buildup in blood vessel walls, and since capsaicin reduces inflammation, it may help prevent the process from happening. It protects against heart attacks by acting as a vasodilator and resumes blood circulation in case of a heart attack. A study published in British Medical Journal indicates that a diet rich in cayenne pepper reduces the risk of atherosclerosis and other heart-related diseases. Number 7. Cardamom. If your blood pressure stays high, don't take it lightly, as continuous high blood pressure leads to inflamed and clogged arteries, stroke, and heart attack. Cardamom can be beneficial in this regard, as it is rich in potassium, antioxidants, and serves as a diuretic. All these properties of cardamom helps to lower blood pressure. According to a study published in the Journal of Pharmaceutical Research International, bioactive constituents of cardamom reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Try adding cardamom in your drinks, tea, or grind them to use as powder form in your dishes. It will give a sweet, minty flavor to your food and fresh breath to you. Number 8. Coriander. Coriander benefits your heart by reducing high blood pressure and lowering oxidative stress. It acts as a diuretic, flushes out excess sodium in your body, and controls blood pressure. Terpenine, quercetin, tocopherols, and other antioxidative compounds in coriander fight free radicals and prevent inflammation of arteries. Some research also suggests its LDL-lowering capability. To see the benefits of coriander, researchers perform an animal study. The group consuming coriander seeds shows decreased levels of triglycerides and cholesterol in the blood. All these properties of coriander make it a heart-healthy spice. You can use fresh coriander leaves or dried seeds in your foods to get all these benefits. Number 9. Saffron. A study published in the Journal of Tehran Heart Center indicates the effectiveness of saffron for heart disease prevention. Results of studies done on animals show a 50% reduction in cholesterol with saffron use. The anti-inflammatory property of saffron and its high potassium content benefits your heart by keeping arteries clear and preventing vascular calcification. Whether it is juice, tea, rice, or dessert, you can add saffron to almost anything. Put strands in a cup of hot water for a few minutes before using them. In this way, you can get maximum flavor and benefits. Number 10. Star anise. Phytonutrients of star anise have impressive anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, which elevate heart health and circulation. It is rich in potassium, which acts as a vasodilator in the body and naturally relaxes the wall of blood vessels, thus reducing the blood pressure and cardiovascular system stress. It provides a warm, sweet taste and pleasant fragrance to the food. You can use it as a whole in soups, broths, curry, or grind it and sprinkle it on your drinks. Spice up your life and food by adding these colorful and delicious spices to your diet and enjoy a happier, healthier life. Just don't go overboard with any of them. Anything in excess can be toxic. If you are on any drug or supplement, ask your dietitian before adding these spices to your diet. Will you start eating these spices after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!